Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Apple Music on Roku step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring that your Roku device is connected to the internet. Turn on your Roku TV or streaming device using the remote. Navigate to the home screen by pressing the home button on your remote. Scroll down and select the streaming channels option. In the streaming channels menu, choose search channels. Type Apple Music in the search bar using the on-screen keyboard. Once you find the Apple Music app, select it to view its details. Click on the Add Channel button to install the app on your Roku. After the installation is complete, return to the home screen. Locate the newly added Apple Music app in your channel list. Open the Apple Music app by selecting it. If this is your first time using Apple Music on Roku, you'll need to sign in. You should see a prompt asking you to authorize your device. Take note of the activation code displayed on your screen. Now, using a computer or mobile device, go to the Apple Music website. Log into your Apple Music account using your Apple ID and password. Once logged in, find the option to enter the activation code. Type the code exactly as it appears on your Roku screen. Click the Submit button to authorize your device. Return to your Roku device, where you'll see a confirmation message. Your Apple Music account is now authorized on your Roku. You can start enjoying your favorite music directly from your Roku device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.